Oh my god, no. No, did we? No. We did not just pack in. No. Wait, is it record? Oh my god. Well, hey guys, so I started the video and I packed this guy. Something Perez. Like, he's worth 720k or 770k, and yeah, so I packed him. Took another pack. I just cannot believe he just packed him. I got him in a where is it? Mini BPL pack. Look at this. Okay, then we just got Bonte. Okay, this is great. Banter. Okay. Theo Walcott. Guess he's alright. So basically what this does is just pack opening site as you do. All FIFA YouTubers have their own. They promote. This is mine. You know, I'm not really a FIFA YouTuber, but I'm having a go at it. I'm alright. FIFA, about legendary, standard. You're a boss, and I support Arsenal, so you probably know I support Arsenal. Yep. And then we get, okay, he's getting Mahrez, so he's the best player in the world. Yeah, but that's how I got him. I just can't believe I didn't start the video. Oh my god. I haven't even like promoted this video yet. It's crazy. Right, now on Instagram. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna get in this video. If we get anyone decent, we get a Bobo. How much does it go for? 8k. Okay. He's less than he used to be. I bet Payet will be about 13k. It hasn't been updated for a while. No, 9k. It has been updated. No, no one. No one. Come on. Nope. Basically getting for all that green card again. Really didn't know what that was about. But I am happy because we just got that right at the start of the video and I wasn't even properly recording or anything. I was going to do face cam, but I just don't want to now. Wow. So it doesn't look like we're going to get anyone else. Probably the best pack opening on FIFA 16 so far. Rudy, yes boys, 80k. So, yep, 80k. Or 79k, you know. Wow, Rooney. And there we go. I think it's gonna end it now. Yeah, we're not gonna get anyone good. Got that weird green Perez, which I'll show you at the end of the video. I really didn't get what that was about. Gonna be a Butler's celebration pack or something. I know they do that. Maybe it's not a happy hour though, so. Okay, last pack. Okay. So I'm gonna 50k pack. Go boys. Anyone good? Okay. Don't think we're gonna get anyone like we did. Don't know what it was about, don't know what. But yeah, next good player we're gonna get. That's where we're gonna end it. And yeah, so over 50k. Over 50k. Okay, this pack's 39k, so it's obviously not gonna be there. 75k. Is he over 50k? No, he's not. He's not. I actually made a profit on 946 coin, 946k. Sorry. So that's nice. That's 16k that pack. It's terrible. 15k. Come on, step it up. 16k. 19k. Oh, I'm gonna say 23k. 60k, boys. Costa, how much is he? 50k, please. No. I don't know in this video, but you know, you guys probably. It's 22k. How? What is that hair? 50 armor. 20k. Oh, boys! If he's over 50k, I'll be very, very sad / happy. He's 60k. We're gonna end the video here. 5 pack, let's say. So 5. Okay. 4. 3. If we get an inform, I'll carry on the video till 10 minutes. 1. Oh. 48k. 1. The last pack. Is it time for an inform? Oh my god! No. We've made 1 million coins. Latino and Kadira. Well, Kadira's nothing, but oh my god, yes, boys. We'll do another 5 pack countdown. 5. 4. Okay. 3. 2. 1. This is the pack where you should get an inform. Okay. Marshall's not bad, it's about 30k. 13k I meant. Let's just do 3 packs. Oh, boom. 40k right there. 40k, 50k. I knew that. Last pack of the video, if we don't, oh, boom. If we don't get anyone more than 30k, I will do a forfeit. Yay, we got a 22k pack. Okay, guys, so the Call of Duty Dark Souls giveaway will be finished on Sunday, so make sure to comment on my last video. If you don't know what it is, watch my last video. Yep, and yeah. So 5 last packs, come on. 5. Oh, boom. 4. 3. 2. 1. Inform, please. Okay, let's open one last BPL pack, because that's where I've got that green player. Green Perez. Let's start this video. Boom. Pedro, okay. This next pack is going to be a good one. And now it's going to be the best pack in history. And it's going to be a better pack in history. Oh my! This pack is 43k. De Bruyne is 25k. I don't get this. I really don't get this. how are these packs, like, how do they, how do they, how are they packs? Wow, how are they cards, sorry, not packs. No, whoa, wow, De Bruyne. Don't think I even said his name on that. Getting messages, okay. So, what? Wow, them green cards, yes. We have had 2 green cards. I've took pictures of them, okay. It's really annoying, this chat, just put that behind the computer. Okay, so that was an incredible pack opening. We got 3 informs technically. And then we get De Bruyne. Wait, what rating was that De Bruyne? The one we got, is it the same rated? Oh, okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and bye!